But in Quran, kullu saghirin wa kabirin mustathat. All big and small things in Holy Quran. Everything in Holy Quran, Allah taught him Quran. So our beloved Prophet knows everything.
No doubt.
So teaching of Quran, Sunnah of Allah, and getting knowledge, Sunnah of Prophet. So Holy Prophet said, Ana Madinatul Ilm Waliyun Baba. I am town of knowledge. Ali is the gate of that town. Ana Darul Hikmate Waliyun Baba. I am the house of Hikmat, and Ali is the gate of that. So if you want to ilm or hikmat, knowledge or realities, go to Ali.